isn't a bug on your end. It's a server-side timeout issue. Essentially, your game client is trying to reach the servers, but the request takes too long, so it expires and throws this error. Here's how to handle it. 1. Check server status. Sometimes the servers are down for maintenance or experiencing overload. Try visiting the official Toxic Commando server status page or social media channels. 2. Restart your router/switch networks. If your connection has intermittent latency, switching from Wi-Fi to wired Ethernet or vice versa can help. 3. Close background apps. Heavy network usage from other apps can trigger timeouts. Close torrents, streams, VPNs, or downloads while launching the game. 4. Flush DNS and reset network, Windows. Press WinR, type samad, then run. You can see the code in our conversation history. Restart your PC and try launching again. 5. Lower server selection region lag. If the game lets you pick a region, choose the one closest to you to reduce latency. 6. Wait it out. If none of the above works, it's likely a temporary server-side issue. Usually, the developers resolve this within a few hours. Tip: if you frequently get this error, check forums for any server downtime alerts. They sometimes coincide with updates or maintenance. If you want,